Good day, everyone. I am Lovely Joycey Felices, a second year student this second semester, and this video is for our PE class. I am 20 years old and my birthday is on September 25, 2005. Let me share a little more about myself. I am a simple person who enjoy doing small tasks at home. I like cleaning the house and washing the dishes because it makes me feel relaxed and responsible. I also enjoy studying because I want to learn more and have a better future. My interest in life is very simple. I want to live quiet, work hard, and be a good person to my family and to others. I believe that simple living helps me focus on what truly matters. I am excited to be part of this PE class. I hope to learn new skills, improve my health, and stay active while enjoying the activities. Thank you very much and have a nice day.